she not responds to me and nothing. She just take her time and moves. And so I say, Val, I want to call Dr. 3 times. 3 times I call the doctor. 3 times I call.
You see, yummy, bud.
Yeah.
I can't believe me get the big odds there. And you go on like say, you know, use me the Easter, and the biggest Easter odds me get, you know. Me say, you see, yummy, bud.
Yeah.
Me can't wait till Easter come. For near me till it done.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them are clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me, try so hard then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day
Blessed love, guys. Blessed love, blessed love, blessed love. Welcome to Kina Life in Jamaica. You know the thing goes already, so passing by, you know, once I'm passing by up Crossroad, I see Maroon Man say, no, I have to go and give him a yell up. Can't pass up, all I'm wipe off my screen. You know, I can't just pass the Maroon Man. I can't say Maroon Man and pass him like that, so I give Maroon Man a link. Even before I head over, because I just saw him at his spot. You know, Maroon Man a pure energy now. You ready for the energy? Are you ready for this? Ladies and gentlemen, I brought to you none other than the energy guy, the Maroon Man.
I'm a smoke it and then I still there some man. The lyrics more good than
energy. Well, like you're sleeping on the job.
Well, I tell the kid that the breeze have me as a knock me out. Why people don't want to see a kid and them want to be as a what they them not see me?
Yeah, because
want to kid and Mr. Kid when the overseas are a damn thing.
Yeah.
So what I go on kid in life?
there, man,
you know and great things in the jail.
As usual.
You know as usual there are wallet for them in the yard.
Yeah. Cool,
yeah, man.
As I say, sail out of yesterday on Crossroad, right at Crossroad. So if you're watching the video here in Jamaica, come give the Maroon Man a support, you know. You have the ladies out wear them for you. The summer fit, the tight fit, the grip fit. If you're not in a shape fit.
So, big up all of my people them all around the globe. The people them know me right now. All the globe. That's what I say. Big chucker.
Be nice to chucker make.
Yeah.
As what you were saying.
Yeah, Kina man, as we are saying, man, we're there upon the ground, man.
So guys, as I said, the man have be always, if you don't have any shape, make you have shape. If you're too tall, make you have the one, make you have look sharp. You know, him have all different
people, a straight up man, a clean life in Jamaica. Not that this is not the thing. Nice lady.
Yeah.
You're looking so gorgeous, lady. For real. You know what I say? Welcome now. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. We have them in a yellow. We have them in a green. We have them in a blue. We have them in a O. We have them in a A. We have them in a A.
So the river go on Kina.
You know, river through the rain. Go up a couple of times, but through the rain and fall, so the river kind of come down a bit.
One Maroon Man, one Kina life in Jamaica. All of my people them, we love you, like how we love we.
So tell them how often you always there here, right?
Yeah, man, well, You see how often I'm there, you know, from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday with their town I do it.
Yeah.
So I say my people, rain, I'm around and up. Pick up. You don't know.
So Saturday always downtown there every
Yeah,
Saturday?
man, Saturday with the downtown fund.
Because downtown more busy on
yeah,
Saturday.
Man, we can't leave a place, man. And you don't know my family, man.
Yeah,
Trust me, man.
Try and buy. Try and buy. Yes. Buy one for your wife, no general. What you say? Buy one for your wife. Mommy, try and buy over here. Anything you like, try and buy. We can try over here. We have to try and buy. Same to call it try and buy. Try and buy. Guys, you ready? We'll have to try and buy right here. Once you try, you have to buy. You're not try and not buying.
People that love you,
We love them too,
all
man.
we can tell them.
Yeah.
Because, one thing I tell you, you highlight me. You
Yes,
make the people that are rich,
Sure.
100 people pass ya. We want that. We see, really, when some people want to see you in a youth.
Yeah. But them love your energy as well. And them say you're full of energy, man.
That them say, boy.
And the maroon blood, right?
Yeah, man, I real maroon blood, man. I love the energy. Me say the people them when them say John or maroon when we hear your voice and we in our house.
Yeah.
Nah, like anything. Them and do them off the top and come.
Yeah, of course.
Remember me I tell you.
Once they hear the voice, them like, yo,
once they hear
a maroon man that.
them know an artist voice,
Yeah.
entertainer voice.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. For
And
real.
the maroon.
So when you say I cut you, did I cut you and right?
Yeah, because I know I can't pass and I hear them, you know.
You don't know maroon man there for pass.
Energy.
Energy, you know, energy.
True, this
One
song you for them.
maroon, energy in a paper.
I will sing you for them now.
Alright, we have a love job for them now.
Yeah, something new that.
Love job, with all of your heart. Love job, maroon man attack. Love job, with the Bible in your hand. Worship Almighty and live for Satan. Love job, with all of your heart. Love job, maroon man attack. Love job, with the Bible in your hand. Worship Almighty and live for Satan. Every day then get up out then gonna up your man. One rotten off, 8 foot rotten off fan. One ton life man, a lean a dead man. Them the same thing, they no right it wrong. Father, you hear me prayer and me feel the blessing of your power. Father, you hear me prayer and me feel the blessing of your power. Every day then get up with them fussing and fighting, with them gunshot and a spear and knife thing. And no believe me say in the love thing. God Almighty, August fighting is the kings of kings and the lords of lords. Conquering lion of the tribe of Judah. I forgive thanks to we only Savior. Love Jah, with all I know. Love Jah, maroon man attack. Love Jah, with the Bible in your hand. Worship Almighty and live for Satan. Love Jah, with all I want. Love Jah, maroon man attack. Love Jah, with the Bible in your hand. Worship Almighty and live for Satan.
Love Jah, with all of your heart. Love Jah. Here we go. So we come right here. We have to try and buy.
Yeah,
We have the slim
man,
people
see
there.
with a shape, you know.
Yeah.
Jesus Christ.
Yeah, that.
She gone, them tights
That
are
you're
hot.
gone. Where you say?
Remember.
Try and buy. Try and buy, no man. Look, see the shape there. See the run gone. Try and buy. Try and buy.
Yeah.
What the one name again where you say about but was it on a grave? Yo, we are the name, man.
People will put things are going in a jam down. It's like them price increase, company mash us down. Well, we put things are going in a jam down. It's like them price increase, company mash us down. People stick out and tell me if I'm fool is. If you use 5 grand and buy pound of fish, stick out and tell me if I'm foolish. We can't find money for sending you to my school. Who are make make every day things are raised. Then soon raise the dead from out of the grave. Come here, me say you be around flower. Yo, I want maroon man. Yo, you know a flavor.
The man said them soul raise the dead out of the grave. Soul raise the dead out of the grave.
My God!
Hello.
One. Where are you on YouTube, you know? Yeah!
Big up.
Tina!
Right, just say you have a person that tell me and right, just say you come to
Tina!
Yeah.
Farmers be there, you know?
Farmers?
Yeah.
Wow.
We just come down for 2 weeks. I go back Monday.
shout out to the farmers, people.
Farmers.
Farmers! Big up! In Jamaica, Yvonne.
Wow. Imagine that. She's here for
Big up
2
to my
weeks.
sister, my niece in Nassau.
Out the NASA.
Farmers.
NASA.
Yeah.
One maroon coming, so rich.
Yeah, man.
Big up the Empress, you know?
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
One love in Jamaica. Jamaica is everything.
Feel on, hey,
Yeah.
where are you now? If you're there, so right now you feel on Jamaica. Cool. Mr. Feel the breeze in a Jamaica. Mr. the breeze in Yo, you see yummy bud.
Yeah.
We can't believe we get the big odds there. And you go on like say, you know, use me the Easter, yeah. And the biggest Easter odds me get, you know. Me say, you see yummy bud.
Yeah.
Me can't wait till Easter come.
Yeah.
Me yummy till it done.
Yeah, me born. How you do that? Basic.
Man, we're glad we see you, Kina, man. We're glad we see you, man. We
Yeah,
always
man,
support for you, know.
Yeah, man.
Yeah,
Thank you,
man.
man.
Always support for you.
Thank you.
And,
Imagine
and
that.
D-Manga.
Yeah, yeah,
Follow
yeah.
D-Manga all the while.
All the while.
All
Big
the
up,
while,
man.
you and
Big up,
D-Manga
man.
and Colors.
Yeah, man. Big
Yeah,
up
man.
every time.
Yeah, man.
It's the energy, man. The energy.
Yeah.
You know?
Energy.
Just pass and give maroon a support and know one maroon man.
Yeah.
In a life in Jamaica.
Yeah, man.
One maroon, man.
One maroon man all over the globe.
Yeah.
You know maroon man. Real.
Hey, maroon.
Real maroon man. My name is Maroon man. From foundation a long time they have me on the plantation. Handcuff me foot, handcuff me hand. But now me release as a strong Jamaican. Yeah.
Hey.
One maroon man.
Big up.
One maroon. Yo.
Yeah, moment.
Big up, man. Cool
We
up,
don't
man.
get Colors, but we get you.
Yeah, at least.
Yeah,
Just
man.
before you leave the island.
Yes, man.
Just
Alright.
before you leave.
Take care.
Alright then, take care, yeah. One maroon, man.
Yeah, I'm more life man.
Yes, guys, say no for big up our subscribers. We never see them. Nothing but love and love for them show. We appreciate it every time. So you say, they give Yummy Bun a big
Yeah,
forward.
man, a big advertisement and me make Yummy Bun start sell back, man. Right, I know Yummy Bun now recognize me, man. And that's the people that will love the ads, man.
Yeah,
Remember me, I tell you, say, just me not get nothing off of it, but at least the people that know some Maroon is a superstar.
Of course.
People when they're ready for no ads and them thing that.
Link
Check
you.
out Maroon, man. You saw me, I say,
Give them your
the
contact
one
number
Maroon.
again.
Yo, my contact number is 498-9233-9. You see what I say? 498-9233.
Yeah, man. Contact
Contact
Maroon, man.
Maroon,
You don't want
People
advert
me there,
anything
you
at
know,
all.
say,
You
even-
don't want buy something.
Yo, even dub plate for your son.
All
For
right.
real, because you don't know. Remember them days then, man, arrows we usually them, man. For real, man. East Kingston, man. Windward Road, man.
Of course.
Yo.
Give them back the raise the dead out of the grave.
Yo. Love, Jah.
Will all of your heart.
Alright, yeah, yeah, man. People all over things are going in a jam down. Is that them price increase come for mash us down. Well, if things are going in a jam down, is that them price increase come for mash us down. People stick out and tell me if the foolish we use 5 grand and buy pound of fish. Stick out and tell me if the foolish we can't find money for send the youth to my school. Who I make every day things are raised. Then soon raise the dead from out of the grave. Come meal. Me say it there and flour we can. But chicken back, me say more less chicken people will put it up one. In a jam down is that the price increase. Cover my shop down. Will put it up one. In a jam down is that the price increase. Fe mash us down. People work hard and suffer. We are suffer. We do things tough. We do get tougher. But right now it now coming like England and even Russia. But right now the food the we have to go for. Only put it up one. In a jam down is that the price increase.
One more road, man.
Yeah, man, one more road, man. I hear some of them, man.
Right across road.
Right across road.
As you can see, Carib Theatre to the right down there, so.
Alright.
So it must be right up the road from Carib Theatre.
Right where you come find the artist cologne them in a crossroad.
Yeah.
So I say Silver Slipper Plaza. You know everybody come get them hot cologne around there, sir. You understand me?
Right, that's them there.
Man, the right there, sir.
Right, that's a man.
People. You know, you know a joy.
Every time, man.
When I buck up, now I love up. Because you don't know, we have to spread the love for the people. They make them know, say, yo, I love what you talk about.
Man as my general. Yeah, big up. Yeah, man,
no war, no crime, no violence.
Not at all. Love we say.
Yeah, love we say.
Love conquers.
You don't know?
Love conquers.
Real one, we answer, man.
So big up yourself in my road, man. You know a thing with the car.
Yeah, man, you don't know in a clean life in Jamaica. You don't know the energy.
Hello.
Yeah. And this the people they love to say.
Yeah,
when the people they don't see a link, it's like a beer chat. I can't walk through them. Walk to Kina. Yeah. You don't know Kina for serve the people there.
Of course.
You don't know Kina the people them.
Yeah. Straight up. People stuff.
Watch her catch a girl like Kina. Look how she's nice.
Yeah. She's right. She's nice. She's right. Manners.
Yeah, man, do your thing in the God.
Brother. You know
more life, more strength in the people, and share the love in the people. And one more road, you don't know, and I love we say to the youths them.
Every time.
The youths, hold up on the head. Take key in a footstep. You understand me? Do the right thing. And at this right there, a long life we say people, prosperity.
Every time. My road, man.
Yeah, man.
Artist.
Oh, you are the artist?
Yeah, you too,
Yeah.
You may subscribe to YouTube.
What name?
Never entertain.
Get a shout out.
It's under.
It's a record.
Yeah, people want to know. Go for my YouTube and check out my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel is Never Entertainment. The people.
Yeah.
Let's get that shout out.
Guys, go and subscribe. Kevar
Entertainment.
So what am I expecting?
The vlog and them thing there, see?
Yeah. So what kind of content you do?
Like go around and I like certain part of Jamaica, people don't really go and familiar with.
Alright then, so my name Kino Life in Jamaica. K-I-N-O. Yes. See there, right? That's it there. Next Kino too? Asmo. Say name Kino as well too? Yeah. Great name you have, man. 3. Back to 3. Yeah, great name you have, man.
Great name, you know?
Yeah, man, great name, man.
You to overall, man.
Yeah, man. See it there?
Bless him to overall. So
every time.
Recognize that my father.
Cool, man. Himself hear the channel now.
Yeah.
Hear the name. Alright then, every time. Alright guys, I'm gonna tell you about the Maroon man. Pure energy. You know, man, all this man full of energy, so boy, I'm gonna tell you. I wish everyone have the same energy where you have. You know? Pure good energy. They have good vibes, you know, good energy. So yeah man guys, so blessed love. So I'm gonna head to go and get something to eat. You know me, man, as a cranberry say, yo, Kino belly. So I'm gonna find where my vegan spot is. You know, I'm gonna get you know the thing goes already. I'm gonna go by Lady Musgrave Road up by Veggie Campus. That's by Dubwise Cafe. You know, Kayas. Well, you have Kayas, you have Dubwise Cafe, you have Veggie Campus. So it's up by Lady Musgrave Road. So that's where I'm gonna head now. Huh? I'm alright. Yes guys, so you know the thing that I'm saying, I gotta get something to eat. But the belly need food. You need healthy food. So tell me how the health is and the health is the way. Alright guys, so this is the spot I always telling you guys about. Hello.
This is my mom.
How's your mom? Hello mommy.
She's doing better. Out and about. All is
Good though.
well?
Yeah. Come get something to eat. So your mommy having lunch. I guess so. Alright mommy. Yeah. Hey yo. Tata. No roll today. Just in general. Have the black beans burger?
No more.
No more? Which one of burger you have?
Cauliflower or jerk mushroom.
Cauliflower, the jerk mushroom. Cauliflower, the jerk. I wish one at the mat. I wish one up on the picture right there to make it like that. Which one are you recommend? Jerk mushroom. Alright, let me try the jerk mushroom then.
Jerk mushroom burger.
You get to the platinum on it as well too?
No.
Can I put the platinum on it too?
No, the plantain available.
Plantain. Guys, so I'm having doubles and also this is mushroom burger that I'm having. This is the mushroom burger I'm having. Mushroom burger, and I'm having tuna doubles, which is chickpea, and the fries is Irish potato itself. This is a vegan spot, so you know I love my tuna doubles already. I love my tuna doubles. And this is my merengue and pine drink right here. Merengue and pine. You ever tried it before? Good. Merengue and pine. This is my lunch I'm having. We finish eat, right? Blessed love, guys, blessed love. Welcome to Kina Life in Jamaica. Yes guys, you know today is a really a bit of a sad news. You know, very sad. Very very sad. Cause you know, mentioned the other day that our chef mother, you know, was inside of the hospital. Yeah, so we got a sad news that she passed it away, you know. Yeah, our chef mother passed away in the hospital this morning, literally. So it's always tough breaking these news, you know. But if you know someone that, you know, been a part of our life, you know, you guys watching our chef, you know, seeing his mom, you know, getting a bit of help on the program, you know, knowing that she was going through a bit of health issue as well too. You know, she was kind of facing that struggle, you know, so that caused her, you know, to literally passed away this morning because of her health issue, you know. So I literally had my way going down to Churchtown, you know, to see worship, to hear what's really went down, you know. I'm saying it's really sad to say that, you know, she passed away. So I want to send our blessings, you know, our condolence, you know, to worship and the family, you know, to worship and the family. So you know, that's another brother losing a mother. You know, losing a mother is where the experience where a lot of us don't want to face in life. You know, not even only a mother, like for like anyone else, you know, any relative, any friends, any family, like losing someone is just tough overall. You know, to say this, it's always tough, you know, and to speak about in a case when someone passed away is even more tougher, you know, to always bring up moments like that when you hear about what happened. You know, but them always say, with this life that we live in, it's the reality we all have to face, you know. It's a reality that we all have to face, just how we're gonna just take it when time it come on our doorstep, you know. It's just tough sometimes talking about these stuff, you know. A lot of us, you know, still have our mother and our father still alive, and a lot of us don't, you know. So cases like these, you know, for the ones who haven't lost a parent, like a mother or father, or, you know, something like those, or, you know, kind of pain you even more, you know, that it's the reality we all have to face one day, you know. Sons, it's just tough. Listen, it's just tough talking about this, you know. You know, me always say we shall could have lived well, the physical could have lived forever, you know, but yeah, I know it's something that we cannot do, live forever in this physical, you know, but spiritually we're always gonna be here, you know. We're always gonna be here spiritually, but physically when time is that time for us to depart from this physical body. It's just the saddest part of our human experience, you know. It's not easy though. So we just want to send out the condolence to our chef, you know. So I'm gonna pay a visit to our chef to see how he's holding up, you know, because you know we have to always support our brother, see him here, you know, to make sure that he's coping with a situation like this. So I always thank you guys for the support, you know. Thank you so much. You're always there for us, you know, on this journey. We thank each and everyone that been there on the journey as well too, for helping out our chef and assisting his mother when time the assistance they needed. You know, we thank you so much, you know, because watching this program, you know, everyone becomes like a family, you know, because it's like you see everyone movement, you know, everyone we're about, everyone life take place on this program. So we've been sync within each other, like, you know, knowing each other, how we all get along. I know worship is a man that always vibrant and full of vibes, high energy, you know. Way of life. It's the way of life. So blessed love, guys. So I must say I'm gonna head to church too. You know, it's in the morning here myself, so I'm gonna make a stop at Ivo Spice to get something to eat because I haven't had nothing to eat. I just got up, jump in the shower. As soon as I find, it's like as soon as I got the phone call, so I'm gonna say, no, let me go pass by. So I just jump up, get in the shower, and then now I'm saying, let me head down to Churchtown. So let me just get something to eat, and then I head inside there. So and I really want to go and pass the Cranberry as well because I got a donation also from Winstone Chronicles. You know, he's been there supporting as well too. So we want to help the Father, giving him this support so he can continue on his journey, you know. So oh wow, here is not open today. Oh gosh. So guys, Ivo is not open. So let me just head on. So, blessings, guys. Stay tuned. Well guys, so I just reached here in Churchtown, and you know the thing goes already, so we're here. So we have whole chef here as well too, you know, whole chef as usual cooking. So whole chef there go and cook on a pot same way, so sad story, so I make use of feeling, you know, not too much so down, you know what, you know, deep down. Whole chef is really going through a tough time because he might try to play it out, see me, because when I come, he might try lively, but we might try to play it out, guys, you know, but you know, deep inside, you know, come through whole chefs. So we have whole chef for us.
Yeah, man.
Wow chef mommy.
Thank you.
Wow chef mommy. Around here you live?
Yeah.
Your name is Valerie.
Yeah.
You not leak?
No, leak.
Oh, bless you, uncle.
Yeah.
You not leak?
No, there's not leak.
But a leak?
Yeah.
Oh, that's so secret.
Yeah.
But you see, you set the bar.
Yeah. Hit the bar.
Let's see. How old is? Oh, are your husband?
Yeah.
Okay, blessed husband. Okay. Not married by ring?
No married.
Oh, bless up. Yes, but say you have some leak because
Yeah.
and first really come around here. You see the struggle?
Yeah.
I really see the struggle. You know? Like how I see it, Father God see it too.
Yeah.
Right, so this is my honor the eyes, you know?
Yeah.
And the Almighty. So you know, sometimes they have to say many words, but the most of the eyes can see.
Yeah.
What I can see. And this is my third eye. Sure. Yeah, mommy. So.
Yeah.
Alright then.
Stick with me, I man.
Okay. Alright. Right, so we have whoa here, you know?
Yeah, man, you know, twice, man. So I say, there, I will go, man. So I say, yeah, man.
I really sorry for you to say your mommy had passed away, you know?
Yeah, that, you know. Well, so it going on. So I say, feel now we are, but we never cry still. You see me, I say, so it go, man. You see me, I say, tell you, man, you see, enough love in the people, me I tell you, brother, yeah? Yeah. Wake up this man here, my sister them come show me and say, yo, oh, John no star. Go to the hospital and me say, pass, more pass off him. Yeah, so I said, John no, for real? That one. So I'm here now, I just go and hold it in my heart. You see me, I say, no love see him with your car. You see me, I say, yeah.
So in the hospital, let me see first.
Yeah, in the hospital she pass out in the car. Like she will do a small operation, you know, and you know, go on like in the heel well way off out the heel and yeah, and you see me I say.
Oh, so them an operation for her?
Yeah, them go do operation for her one day, but if I me show my sister them a do it, if I me and my brother them a do it, we do the operation for her. You know, she just go and live, you see me I say. Yeah, but come like children go do operation for her now, like. I tell you, say, no, my sister alone can't tell over one, you see. They are all the same way, because life, you know. Yeah, man, long live, you know, she's going to age still about 70 years. She's going to 70 years still, you see me, I say. You know, we get up there from my next sister a year ago, but I know she, in our day, a couple of years ago, she was 60 years, you know. Yeah, so she's in her 70s and now.
So basically the operation with them do it never heal properly, so it cause it?
You know, because she do operation one day, come like, told me the operation like it never really heal right way yet and you see me, so we never could have bring her home. You see me? We see how really go on, so they have to leave her in the hospital. So you see me, we never hear from Tiffany, Candy, and my local sister them go, you see me? Yeah, you see me, no, you see me? That one, man, you see me, I say. So love, you know. See,
so Tiffany and Candy, they would have to get the full story from
yeah, I get the full story from them now for you go on.
So what we'd have to do, we'd have to go
yeah, go Candy now and go.
Go over there in a minute and then
and now they get a look get the pay and just give Candy a look at say buy some you know some jelly or anything that can do and water. Yeah, so them go do them things so. Sure, them around there do them things still, you know. See them sad around there still, but can't get the information from Candy and Tiffany.
Yeah.
Really what go on, you see me I say? Yeah, man. So already we just go around and go get to walk on.
Yeah, we go walk around and then get some more information and
you know, she do a little small operation what it so get the 100 hour go on now and see what go on. Because them dug me for morning, them just do and come up with them.
So guys, I must say it's
man, I tell you, enough love people, you know, blessed love, man, I tell you, rough. So I just want to chat the road.
Yeah, guys, I must say it's really sad, you know, it's sad times, you know. If you hear it, it's really, really heartbroken right now because I must say it's tough, you know. You might not see it on the outside, but deep inside, you know, the pain really felt, you know, so. We really have to speak to other sisters because they are the one that been going down there, you know, assisting on every little thing we want to go on. So I guess they can tell you a bit more about, you know, what's the cause of the death, even though you know they have to go to autopsy, but what should really take down more of sick from, you know, from the operation. Because I guess the other day one of the sisters they tell me say they never like how she look. You know, I don't remember her name, but she did tell me that she never really like how she look. So when she said that, no, the kind of you know, like you know, you feel like a weird thing you feel when somebody say they don't like how that person look after you know when somebody's sick and them say them don't like how that person look, you know, say give you a little weird feelings, you know, weird thinking and say your hope is not going down to that direction, you know, and That's literally like about a week ago when she said that. Yeah, about a week ago. And now we get this story now, you know, so it's really tough, you know. This moment is really, really, really tough, guys. It's tough. So we're gonna go around there and get some information, you know, on what's going on. You know, so sad to say it's one more, you know, for them sad news again, you know. That's one of the news I hate speak about mostly, you know. You know, words can't really explain how and tell you how someone is feeling, or words can't even encourage them to try to feel better, but within time, so only within time they will literally feel pretty better. So go over there and so I go on, guys, so stay tuned another one day. Rasta Jackson done the mic and $30 grand. You know, sad day today.
Yeah, really sad day. Boy, I walk past me and I can't be boy, I walk past me and I tell you nothing.
Him never tell you?
Yeah, because man can't, like him, man, it's not there, man, you know, yeah. So I come out and some me natural, you really talk or something, I kind of know where I'm going.
Yeah. That's really sad, you know.
It's a nice feel that right, you know. We're one of the female member of the family, so it's not really a good look right, you know. But we have to just take it easy same way, because we know a life, such is life, you know. Yeah, man, that is all in the game, bro. I just take it easy and do what we have to do, and that's what we say, yeah.
Yeah, because about 3 years ago, my old lady dropped out too, you know. Yeah, my first one, old lady. She said, I don't know how old lady bring our love them to her heart, you know. You can go ball and show behind what joke, you
Yeah. I was still a carry on said way, I was still a go through said way. You see, you know. Give thanks and praise for life every time still, no?
Yeah.
And why give thanks and praise for the rebellion.
Greatest thing.
You see, yeah, the greatest thing. Give thanks and
be here.
Yeah, every time. I say, my mother drop out now, Gina, so ball like baby, you know. Yeah, man, so mother drop out and ball like baby, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Okay, I know a mommy, you know.
Yeah,
so.
mommy, you know.
Man, I use that link together, so yeah. The man kind of move, you know.
Oh, Jackson? Okay. Well, it's always tough talking about when somebody passes, brother. I'm not lying, man.
It can't be a good feeling, brother.
Just a forward, I just a forward, man.
Well, this man, it happened though. Yeah, this man. Yeah, well, him say him sister kind of know more about what go on still, so I'm good at go around there and hear what go on.
So, I say, look, she's up in her age and she kind of sickly, so you see me I say? Yeah, we'd have to look out for that, you know. We'd have to look out for that.
Yeah. Lifespan cut short, you know. Health issue. But you know what, sure. Yeah, we'll go around there and just find out what's going on, you know. Come miss. Yeah. Lose its strength.
You know, when I watch it and I look at time girl and I tell her last time I'm sick
sure not having no worries. What's up?
So, it is done by a old chef. At a yard. Speak to the sister that always been attending when the sister is there, you know, to find out what I'm going and all everything work out. Yes. Me next.
Yeah, I want to general.
Just one of those days.
See, cool man.
Good day, good day. We're going to yard.
They might fix up in there.
Oh.
Yeah, they might fix up in there.
So they might use a sorry.
Yo, one box.
Come on, go on.
Tell them say the baby will come father. Want help. Make some help from the
Baby, I look one father, so you know what the father.
No.
You know, I baby, I will sing the song, the AJ. Candy. So sad to get this news. You know, I wish you called me this morning and I tell me what I go on. So basically, guys, so this is Candy, you know, which is Worship's sister, which is, so she's the one that been attending, you know, to the mother while she was in hospital, you know, so what we love on this.
I know. I get a call about 1:05 this morning, and I answer the phone and them say, "This is Kenisha Walker." I said yes, and they say they're coming from public hospital. You're relative to Miss Valerie Walker. I say, yeah, she's my mother. So she said, can you come early in the morning for an update on the mom? If who's the next of king? She said, Tiffany. I say, yeah. So she said, if me can make it, Tiffany will make. Tiffany will come. So I said, the two of us will come. So I said to her, so what is the problem? She said, just come and have an ask the doctor an update on your mom, see what is going on. I said, okay. And she called and everything, so I get up and I call Tiffany after she called me. So Tiffany said, alright, go down there. Went down there this morning, we go up on the ward. And when we go in to go up on the ward to run to see her bedside, we stop by a nurse and they say, wait here. Cannot come on the ward yet because the doctor is running ward. We stand right there, we stand on the outside. So the nurse will stop us, come and say, come on this side. We go into that room and I'm just going in that room, I just know say that seat. Something wrong. So when she said so, I go in and I sit down on the chair, and from I sit down on the chair, I started to cry and my sister started crying and I said to her, Tiffany, eat this, you know, and thing. At the same time there's a doctor calling and said, good morning. I said, good morning. I said, who is him? I said, my name is Kenisha Walker. Tiffany said, my name is Tiffany Walker. You are relative to the patient? And I said, it's my mom, the two of us, mom. And I said, do you know what kind of signature? I said, yes. Who brought her in for who brought her in? And I said, that's me. who signed the next of kin. So I say, she's my next sister.
Yeah.
And him say, what is her sickness? She only know she have, I say she have the heart problem, she have pressure, and she have strokes. Why you bring her in? I said to them, say, we bring her in because she was having a pain in the belly, and when them feed and think the lump get bigger, and we do scan, now we do ultrasound, and them say them never see, so we brought her in, then do a CT scan, and them say abscess. So when them cut it, when them bring her in at the operation, them cut it. So when them cut it, them see the abscess, and them see cancer cell, and the doctor say cut out the abscess and the cancer cell and stuff of it. But them said there's a whole heap of more things in dead here, but just true she cannot go under that operation. Just true she cannot go underneath it, she can't take it no more. So them have to bring her back on the ward because them don't want. You see, so she did here in there. A month had now since she in there. He's the one who's visit her when Tiffany have some time from work. She go and visit her. Our grandkids them go and visit her. After them go and visit her and thing. Look run up and down, me, Tiffany, back and forth, and them look weird here.
So should have more things inside, like what? So the cancer never finished.
Alright, no, them say them cut out. Them cut out one. Them say cut out one big one. So them say two in there, but those two them say she cannot take the pain. Yeah, she cannot take it.
During the surgery, she wake up.
Yeah, during the surgery, yeah, she wake up.
She wake up.
Yeah, wake up.
We are out.
Yeah, so she go in from after hour. Them say she going from about after 11 and at 5 o'clock in the morning before it done, because what the something, yeah, yeah, so there's something with them girl, yeah, so there's so the something when, and Joe she gone that, so she da wake up and things, so them da for stop and everything, so them never stitch her up back or anything, them just have the wound there that try.
Till 1 month after.
Close up. So till 1 month after that, last week, them stitch up back the wound, but them say she catch a look on infection in it. Yeah. So them say them say them that drain it and that treat it. You understand?
Yeah.
Could you stitch?
No,
I think they stitch it, they go bust out back, so them never stitch it. And stuff them did stuff it.
So till it clean it. But as some can say, she's a fighter. Me I tell her she fight. Because during them time, when she just get the surgery and thing, me I tell her another week after. And when she go over on the next ward, she was improving. Go down there, she laugh, talk with you, she all raise up and them look weird. And them stuff there. She want get up and thing. Till me don't know where the breaking down, but
till every time, so something
because every time I go there, something different.
One mole, one mole outbreak in them surgery room, in them theater. So you have to be near to death for you go the surgery, or you go dead for the surgery, because they not do no surgery, don't do because the germs outbreak.
Okay.
So you have to dead.
So
this is Jamaica.
But yesterday when yesterday when I visit her, when I go down there, I visit her, and I was going down there when I go. They will give her oxygen, and when I go, I was like seeing like she's just like the whole her body just chin burst. So
she shake.
Yeah, she shake. And they say the whole her body shake. Come here, so what me to you? When I go, she not talk, I them lock. Just that one I just barely working. I say
to me, Val been dead for me.
Val, what me to you? And she not responds to me, and no, she just take her time and move. And so I say, Val, what me call doctor 3 times. 3 times I call the doctor. 3 times I call. No doctor, me there up till almost 1 o'clock. No doctor no come 3 times. Three of the nurse them go call 3 doctor and them say them soon come. I'm up there till the security them come and say visit. I say I'm supposed to be on the ward. Me need to see a doctor for her and things. So I'm dead here talk to her. She not talk, she not respond. So I because the oxygen and I was like, and she was like, I don't know, she want to tell me something but it now come out of myself and want me to tell me say nurse can I get a doctor and an update on her what's going on. She want me. Is want me. Want me. And things so them said the doctor said them a review her docket for come. I said how long now? I've been here from about level 20 I reach down there and I've been asking for a doctor. No doctor
nobody.
visiting time up. Almost I go to one, I still not seen a doctor. Want me. The nurse come and the nurse was there. One nurse come and she was like patting down her head and she said, this is my grandma. I'm the one here who's looking out for her. And she was there and rub her down and then it's like Valerie, like she opened her eye and she said, open her eye. And she said, listen to me, the doctor they are gone. You have to come one morning like after 8 you can see a doctor where you can talk with a doctor and things. Come from yesterday, from I come down there, from yesterday I come and thing. And so stressful. From I left down there, I so stressed out when I come. It's like the foot them kind of feel tired, weak out. I don't know what kind of feelings are there. I lay down on the bed about 3 past 4. And I said to my son, so wait about 4:40. And I can't go down. You know, when my son said, he realized when at 6:30 he jumped me up. And I said, oh Sonny, when you jump me up for going to public? And I say, mommy, at 6:30 because you're tired. And me I touch you, nah, move. Like some of those something down, some of those feel heavy. So I'm out there, so last night about 11:30, I get up, and when I get up, I go up and I say, no man, so what kind of weight this the family? So when I wait till I come from, when I like that weight, But look, grandson wake up from about 2 o'clock. Him in the house and him balling, ball. And me I say, want me to him just a ball, so him just torment.
So basically never really attend her or she's supposed to get attended.
No, because nobody no come to her yesterday. Nobody no come to me for come give me an update on her. Mama ask them what cause the shakiness with her. She not talk. Her eye them don't open. She not move nothing. Now my mama go down there. First thing when I go down there, she on her hand to me and some of football her hand. Every time when I go, so when I reach her, I say Val, and as she see me, she stretch her hand give me. So she want me hold her and I'm hold her hand. And I there talk with her. Sometimes I there sing with her, talk with her. Remember good times with her up here and the kids them and everybody and them look weird. Yesterday I go and talk to her. She not get a response from her. She not talk to me. And her body now move. Her eye them don't open. She not open her eye. No time at all yesterday. She not open her eye. One night I say Val, want me. He just see the head dust.
Because when I go down there
and I say want me and thing and she just definitely stand up and just watch the whole of the body. The whole of her body just a shake her go away. So just a shake her go away. So I'll make them to the nurse. Mama see a doctor and come on and now the nurse go them say she soon come back. I send her next one them say them soon come. I see one doctor I say use Valerie and this doctor she's at bed 19 that there. So is you? She says no. I go look if I see one of her doctor. She go and see and she say one of her doctor there say they're coming to you. And no I stand up there no doctor don't come there.
So what them say cause to death?
Them not tell when them not when we go this morning. We couldn't even go when I go on the ward. Then put you in our room and then start with them with the doctor come and talk to me and thing and stuff and him say if we have any answer and we say we call when the date pass and then said 11:30 last night she die and him come say to us so we say what could have
passed from last night?
Yeah, from last night 11:30 she
and them call you after 1?
No, after 5 this morning
after
them
5.
call me, yeah.
She should have been get the call from she died.
Yeah.
Them call me this
morning.
morning.
Try nothing more than them try to figure out what is the cause of death, how she died. They don't know.
When me go there, yeah, because when me go down there this morning and them ask a question, and I say, what kind of question you for say yes, you know? We can't even ask you what cause of death now, because never say we don't know yet. Autopsy have to do and all of these things have to do to see what cause of death. We don't know nothing. So I said to them, say, where is the body? Them sit down to the mark and thing. So them say, choose it before we can come back, identify the body. And then we come up on the ward and then give a paper and then can tell you such and such. Any much blood tests I could do, any much, you know much thing I forgot to.
When you do the test, not Tuesday?
I Tuesday we go pay much money for one test. A week before last we buy much medication for almost 13,000. We pay you what day you will pay $6,000. We do the urine test for 5,000. We do one next test and I saw us and money them and I pay look at test and them look with it. If they mean no, see there 85,000 them go do one test with her. With them go put the camera down in her throat, for go down in her belly, for see what could have caused the vomiting. Because them I wonder if it's somewhere inside her have any blood if anybody in her bleed and think 85,000. We'd have to go pay for do that. And then we don't know say she have pass off. We wanna give for them big bill there and them something there for do. And think I prefer we just come forward and say to we say, here we go on, we don't know how long she go hold on to this and such. More than we are gonna pay. And then we they are posted with self now, you know, and they are so we are look the money now, cause we are look the money for say yeah we could have say we can go do it to make sure do the surgery for the 85,000. We go down and we call it down them sell it down a public there so and them say we go down and one the big gate there so where's some of them name again patient of fear. So when me and Tiffany go down there did here now them say they said they lack so we say we gotta try again because if we go to say them that help we and them that say how much we can pay and then pay the rest you understand so we never get there so for reach yet and then look away there the doctor stop one night time and say we for stop because they mean one blood back or something there from well buy we have to go buy that thing almost 8,000 for that you know 8,000 because them say that one they good what them they go do for test it to see which part of inner are any blood leaking and something vomit up on them so we there just there, so I'm just exhausted. I don't know what to turn. I tell you, say, when the man says so, I tell you, say, anywhere that screaming that come from, the whole world wake up this morning because I scream out my heart and soul. I say, at the last hour I see yesterday, I see her, I come see her for talk to her. Talk to her. I come for talk to her. I said that I come talk to her, I come see my mother. I call yesterday, nobody don't answer me. I beg me a call for ask the doctor them to give me an update on her. Want me no doctor to attend to me. If you know say the last hour, you could have even come to me and come tell me. You could have come and say it to me and say such and such. But me a call you now just avoid the call you just gone. And nobody attend to her. It's come like say from Delhi, so nobody come like them attend to her from Delhi. So from yesterday.
It's really sad, you know, it's really sad. It's sad. You know. Can't use words for comfort because we don't really know where you feel right now, you know, because only you can explain how you feel and I know say losing a mother is not easy.
Hurt me, if it don't hurt nobody, it hurt me. It hurt me, because me have her in the last half. Me run up and down with her in the last half. I take her and put her. I take her for myself and have her. Yes, near me. If she goes say, I know.
Yeah.
If my sister she start feel pain, first thing me I say, me I rush with the doctor, because I love God doctor. She start feel the pain from the belly, in her belly she feel the pain and she say which part she get the tire off her time. I say alright, straight down the public and go because them have to do one x-ray upon you. When I go and when them call her name and when the doctor put her upon the bed, the doctor put her down and I say which part and she show her. And when the doctor call me I say what is this lump? I say this big lump in her belly and I say.
So the lump are from the tire off? They said there?
The tire find at the neighbor, which is in the neighbor she feel pain. In which way the pain in the neighbor, you know, but the lump I grow up your side of the belly and me never see me be there everything and me never see it because I just never notice her because just too she fat and the belly big, I not really notice her. But the doctor put her up on the bed and I feel her and feel the lump and when the doctor goes and roll up it and shape it up so I saw see the lump. And I say, I'd like to say where the lump come from. I say, I don't know where the lump come from. And doctor said, I said, no, I never see that lump here. And me bear, and me she live with me, never see that lump here. And the doctor said, no man, it's either them, the day when she got the doctor, you know, them that she says either for admit her or send her for do an ultrasound, because ultrasound never take too long down here. So, and thing. So she said, what is your option? I said, that is you have the angles. What is your option? And doctor me bring her come, say she for admit. So she said, all right, I'm going to send you go do an ultrasound with her. And as soon as they do the ultrasound, they brought her back down here with the ultrasound. And do the ultrasound, and I brought her back in, and then before me get the ultrasound take a week before we get her back. She go through a body papi and me I tell her say the lump does get bigger, so it get bigger, riper, tougher. Me I tell her say she feel pain, me not sleep. I can't sleep. I lay down for go shut my eyes, so me should have oh Jesus! And when the pain will she tighten the fist so. And she tighten and she shake and I say, Father God, the Monday morning I get up bright and early and rush I go to the public and them admit her instant, them admit her upon the ward. The Tuesday when she go in, then make she go she go do the CT scans and she say the access.
So how much I want to have?
9 how
9.
But yeah, one drop out, Sophia, the big girl drop out. Yeah, come black. The big girl drop out.
The more if you just keep them posted, I don't know how I go on, because when you go back at the hospital.
We go back down there Tuesday, we go back down there, we go identify her, and I'm supposed to give you some papers and things, we go write up and we go back up on the ward, and from there so, we look some funeral home for put her in her, so start the process.
Oh my. Valerie, you know. I think she's been fighting. You know, today she's been fighting.
She fight, man. I don't know. She just tired and just gonna rest here, man. Because when she do that surgery, the rate to her heart, the rate to her heart, deafened, and the condition with the heart in it, they're in a critical condition. You know, the heart not that firm or steady. Understand it's a weak heart she have. Doctor them done his set we say the anesthesia we will give her, we don't know if she's gonna make it off of the cutting table because that's strong something like that and thing. Father God, bring her through and make sure come out of it. It makes you come out of it and come forward. And she fight. When I say she fight. Kino, she fight. Me I tell her she fight. When I did that thing, I say she fight and she get up and she ease up and thing. But one thing that I watch, the cut them you want to heal up and everything alright and thing. Go back down there. She start ball for the belly. She said the pain in her belly, the pain in her stomach.
And Candy does, let me say, the pain is very, very. So just keep them posted. Yeah, I don't know how I'm going. Yeah, that is really sad. You know, I'm gonna say words I don't even know what to say. You know, because I can't tell how she feel, but only she don't know how she feel. The family I go through right now. You know, so just stage where. I don't want to go through this in life sometimes, you know, but it always happens, don't happen, so I come at the doorstep. I don't even know, you know. But as I say, we have to try to help out each other any way we can, you know. I don't know, whole chef and the whole family just like a one family, see me, you know, because we're coming from far, you know, and Valerie is like a mother to almost everybody here. So we're here to see what can happen. So something I go and can.
Yeah, man, you make you know, yeah. Make a call and make you know what I want and thing. Come on, I'm Thanksgiving.
Yeah, man. Go on was strong, yeah? Strong.
Kim, what on?
Guys, as you can see, you know, sad for what going on with worship, you know. I'm saying worship I go on I go and hold it up, see me, I go and hold strong. You know. So the family is going through some distress. You know. What are you doing here? Me not look for?
Yes.
Oh, you look for me. Who tell us about down the road?
Can we see a car? Don't tell them I got cranberry. Can I watch the video? I got cranberry.
Yeah, I got cranberry. No, I see the video.
How are you there?
Me there over Kelsey and...
Round there?
Yeah. Over there, me there. And they say Kelsey too. Yeah.
Live.
Kelsey? Yeah, over there, me there. I like a rebound. I like a rebound. But when I go up on the road, though.
When?
No.
No?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, and then.
So you go so quick?
Yeah, but when I come back though. Don't worry, man, we're so hang out, okay? Yeah? Don't worry, we're gonna hang out. We're gonna have a day when I will cook. Oh, no. We're gonna do hot dogs and ice cream for now, okay? Yeah. Right?
Kina, look. When you go get the driver.
So we can get the driver out, man. Tell them, man, go get the driver, okay? Don't worry. I'm not gonna get the driver out. Yeah? Don't worry. Watch out now, you see Life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no.
Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. It's gonna be a better end.